Hello, in this video we're going to be doing HackerRank's problem Java Inheritance 2. This problem states a class named Arithmetic with a method named add that takes two integers as parameters and returns an integer donating their sum. 2. A class named adder that inherits from a superclass named Arithmetic, which is the class in number 1. Your classes should not be public. So the input format, you are not responsible for reading any input from stdin. A locked code stub will test your submission by calling the add method on an adder object and passing in two integers. In the output, you are not responsible for printing anything. Your add method must return the sum of the parameters. This is what we need to return. My superclass is arithmetic, 42, 13, and 20. Okay, how are we going to do this? Okay, let's first create the superclass arithmetic. This class public int method add, and that's going to take in an int a and an int b, two integers, and all it's going to do is add those together. So we're return a plus b. So let's create this adder class. So this class is going to extend arithmetic. So we're going to create a public int call add method, passing in int a and int b. And then all that is going to do is return, and then it's going to call the add method in arithmetic, passing in a and b. So those are the two classes set up. Now let's fix the main method here. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we've got to create an adder class and instantiate it. Next, we need to outprint these two lines. So system out print line, and then they want my superclass is. Okay, now this is where they want you to learn something. So my superclass is, so we're going to do adder get class, get class. This is the adder class. Now we want to get its superclass, which is going to be arithmetic. Get superclass. And then we just need the name. So get name. And that's really what they're looking for instead of just hard coding and my superclass is arithmetic. Then for the second line, we need to call the adder, and this is where you have a little bit of leeway because you just need to get the number 42. So we're going to pass in 21 and 21, which will give us 42, and some spaces, or a space. I'm going to call adder again, add. Now we need the number 13, so we're going to do 5 and 8, and another space. And finally, we're going to call the adder class again and add 10 and 10. And that should do it. Helps if I spell the name adder right. Okay, that is successful. Let's submit it. And that is also successful. So thank you for watching. Hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time.